Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my French toast. Simple and easy to put together. Alright, so let's get started. Into a bowl, I'm going to add 4 eggs, and I'm adding 4 eggs because of the amount of French toast that I'm making. So you can add more, you can add little, depends on the amount you want to do. Into this bowl, I'm going to add some brown sugar, some salt, cinnamon powder, and some grated nutmeg. And don't you forget to check the description box below. You are going to have all the measurements and ingredients. Here I add some vanilla essence, and I'm going to make a quick whip on it, making sure that everything is well incorporated. Once it's done, I'm going to go in and I'm going to add some milk. Now you can choose what type of milk that you want to use into yours. I'm just using normal whole milk. And don't be afraid if you have too much of mixture when you're done all left over. Just place it into a pan, pop it into a pot with some water, cover the pot and steam it. And there you have some nice custard. So what I did is take my roti pan, or you can take any other pan, place it over medium or high heat, and place your bread. Now, this recipe you can use any type of bread. Here I'm using whole wheat bread. I just want to give it a little toast, so that it can get a little brown. That's basically what I'm trying to do. Toast it up. And guys, I just want to say thank you so much for my new subscribers. And even to my returning subscribers, I want to applaud you guys for coming back. Alright, so as you can see, that the bread is getting really golden brown and nice. Yeah, so once that is done, I'm going to set it aside and place my pan over medium heat, and I'm going to add some butter. Once this butter melts down, like this, I'm going to go ahead and just mix up my concoction here again. Then I'm going to take a slice of my whole wheat bread that I did toast and place it into here. You don't want to leave it long. Just put it in and flip it like this. Then drain out the excess liquid, and into the pan it goes. You want to fry this or cook this for like 2 minutes on each side. Once you put it into there and it starts to get golden brown, you're just going to go right ahead and flip it over. Look at how beautiful this is, guys. And remember, when you're doing this, you don't want to drench your pan with too much of the fat. You can use coconut oil, you can use butter. I think butter gives it a better, taste. And that's it. Let it cook again for another 2 minutes or until golden brown. Then I'm going to remove it. And there you go, guys. It's that simple. This is something that I look forward to some Sunday mornings. It's quick and easy to put together. Just about roughly 20 minutes. There you go, guys. Once it's done, I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half. And at this time, I use some honey. Excuse me, guys. I use some honey because I didn't have maple syrup. That's all right. You don't even have to use honey if you don't want to. I just grated some lemon zest over there. You can also use some granulated sugar, or you can also top it off with some powdered sugar. I use a little bit of granulated sugar, which is optional, guys. So that's it. Breakfast is served. Use it up with some juice, some hot beverage, and thank you for watching.